Hello guys, welcome to my 2022 4th of July fireworks stash. I'll be going over everything that I have in this video. This is sort of a little bit of leftovers from New Year's, so I'll still be doing another pickup here later this week. So let's start getting into everything I have here. So we'll do the best first, I guess. We have a few of these Take Charge cakes. They're pretty good. 16 shot, 200 grams. Next up, we got these 6, 12, 18 shells, these cancer shells. Pretty good. And then we'll go down here, and we got some candles, Roman candles down there. And then we got 224 kits of the Brothers Smoke and Mirrors. Classic canister shell. Next we have 5 of the artillery shells, Legend artillery shells. 6 come in each box. And then some of the smaller stuff I have. So in here we have the red and green fountains, smoke balls, smoke bombs, some of these artillery shells. I think they're Legend ones, I'm not sure. And then we have these night diamonds, which spin basically on the ground and whistle and then shoot up in the air. And we have a few firecrackers down there. So thank you guys for watching this stash video. I'll probably be posting another one here before the 4th of July. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.